Sysbu Document Management System is a secure, online solution that enables users to deal with documents throughout their business lifecycle. Imagine how easy and fast it is to store, manage, and approve documents from one single platform. Register documents, sort them by type and date, define document status and priority, assign them to users, and filter them using tags. Furthermore, you can upload an infinite number of documents in any format. Hoping to find your documents fast and easy? Create virtual folders to organize all your documents. You can define the sorting pattern according to your preference. Moreover, you can sort your documents into even more smaller details by creating and adding tags. Sysbu DMS provides an easy-to-use search feature that helps you find any file, even if you don't know its complete name. You may run a broad search or navigate to each folder and search within it. Request approvals and add comments for the reviewer. When a document is sent for approval, reviewers will also get notified by email. Once document is requested, approvers can approve, reject, add comments, or edit the document in response. To effectively manage your projects, use the option to archive or remove document records. Sysbu Document Management System stores each document change log. When a new version of a file is uploaded, the prior version is stored so that it may be retrieved at any time. It also provides information on lifecycle document records. Keep everyone up to date and share company activity and announcements by using the news feed. Every user will be able to respond, comment, and send a direct message. So, head to our website and access our free trial today.